Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Danreael's, and on this channel we talk about natural hair growth, length retention, and DIY hair recipes. In today's video, I actually wanted to make a video about natural hair types, and I wanted to talk about how to figure out your hair type and also why it's important to know your hair type in order for you to achieve hair growth and length retention, and just to know what type of hair you have. So I actually prepared a clip that I want to show you guys, and I'm gonna roll the clip right now. But before I do that, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the clip. Figuring out your hair type is a starting point to finding the right products and styles for your hair. There are three main natural textures: wavy, curly, and coily hair. Types 1 are straight, types 2 are wavy, type 3 are curly, and type 4 are coily. Type A's have a wider pattern size, type B's medium, and type C's the smallest of the three. The hair type and texture are further broken down into A, B, and C based on the hair's curl pattern, density, porosity, width, and length. Several different textures can exist on one head of curly hair. Your curl type is determined by the shape of the follicle that your hair grows out from your scalp. Most people with textured hair have more than one type of pattern in their head, so you may have a combination of kinky, coily, wavy, and curly in your hair. Identifying your hair type is important so that you can have a better understanding on how to care for your hair. So now that I have showed you guys that clip and talked about natural hair, I wanted to talk about how I figured out my actual hair type and what changed after I figured it out. The way I figured out my hair type, first of all, my hair type is high porosity, fine, 4A and 4B. So this is what my hair looks like. As you can see, like, my actual strands are very fine, so my hair breaks easy, and also my hair is very dry and high porosity, so I can get my hair wet and it'll dry very fast, and it's always very dry. So my hair likes moisture, so I always have to make sure my hair is moisturized so that it doesn't break. So since my hair is fine, I have found that protective styling, specifically braids under wigs, Meek Mill braids, that is how I have retained so much length, and I've been able to grow my hair long. Because when I wear my hair out like this all the time, it's pretty much impossible for my hair not to break a lot because of the type of hair that I have. Figuring out your actual type and texture and all that is really important, and it also is important because once you figure out what hair type you have, you'll know what type of products to use. A person with low porosity hair, using oils and stuff like that may not always benefit them as much as it would someone with high porosity hair, because high porosity hair is open and it's dry and it sucks in. So knowing what porosity you have on your hair and what type is really important. To learn the porosity, you can do the hair porosity test. I'm going to do a video on that and how to figure it out, so come back for that. Once I learned my hair type and what was really going on, once I had the education behind that stuff, I was able to get products that my hair liked, and I was able to do styles with my hair that my hair liked. Because another thing with high porosity hair or fine hair is, like, using a lot of heat on it can really be damaging to that. But if you have low porosity hair and you have thicker hair, you can use heat and it won't be as harsh as it would on someone like me with my hair type. So again, once you know what's going on with your hair, you will understand it more and you will be able to protect it better, and you won't spend so much money on trying all these products because you know what you need and what's good for you. Because that used to be me too. I used to just buy products that was trendy, but this was before I knew anything about my actual own hair. That's why it's important to know your hair. So yeah, the way you can figure out your hair type is you look at the chart, look at the curl, the type of curls that are on the chart, and you'll be able to see what type of curl that you have. And then also you need to see whether your strands are fine, medium, or like really coarse. That's important to know. And to understand your porosity, you do the high porosity test. So you will have a category of 3 things. You will have your porosity, your actual texture, and then your hair type. So it will be high or low porosity, fine, medium, or coarse, or kinky, or coily, and then it'll be one of the 2, 3, or 4 types with the A, B, or C. And mine is high porosity, fine, 4A and 4B hair. That's my hair type. So what's your hair type? Comment below what's your hair type. And again, the A, B, and the C is based on the actual strand, like the pattern of the strand. Those 3 things together, that's how you're going to be able to tell what type of products your hair needs, what type of styles your hair can take and can't take, what you really need to be doing for your hair type. So figuring out your hair type is really important, and I recommend, if you want to grow your hair really long, to figure that out and to do things that cater to your hair type. I know everybody likes the trendy stuff, the popular stuff, but sometimes your specific hair cannot take that. So make sure you always know what you're really doing so that you can achieve hair growth faster and you're able to retain as much length as possible, because whether or not you take care of your hair or not, it's always going to be growing. So retaining the length is the important part. Your hair is always going to grow, but keeping it on your head is the key to getting long, healthy hair. That is my video about hair types. I hope this video helped you understand a little bit better what hair typing is. Make sure you guys shop my website, Danreael's. It's gonna be open very soon, talking about like March. So make sure you guys shop my products. I make all natural hair care products. Everything is 100% natural and it's very affordable, and make sure you guys support that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. God bless y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.